You can see here that in the search console of my website, I have received a total of 41,000 clicks and 497,000 impressions in the last 3 months. The average click-through rate is 8.2% and the average position is 12.6. Since my blog was created, all the content within it has been generated with the help of AI. There is not even a single post I have written on my own. Every piece of content in the blog has been generated using AI. You can also see a certain peak, right? And that happened like when I targeted an important keyword and created content around it. And that was also generated with the assistance of AI. Now, if I take you to my Google AdSense, right, you can see that although the earnings are relatively, like very low, right, with only 290 total page views, a page RPM of, right, like $1.32 and 292 impressions, and there are only 3 clicks as you can see. The earnings are lower because there are some configuration issues on my side, right, and previously I was using auto ads on Google which did not give me good results, so I switched to manual ads. And a few days ago, right, it started working and now I see some improvements. But the most important thing is that my blog is monetized, right? Despite the content inside the blog is AI generated, right? And I can assure that, you can also achieve same the results. And in this video, I will reveal everything, including how I got, 41,000 visits on my site. And I'll also explain my entire content writing strategy, keyword research process, and other techniques that can help you achieve similar results. Let's get started with the video and see how I initiated everything and implemented my content writing strategy and how you can also replicate the same with the assistance of AI. Let's start. So the first step that I usually take before writing a blog post, right, that is keyword research. Now I'm going to show you, right, how to do the keyword research. So before I take you to the keyword research, right, now the first step in the keyword research comes here is keyword types, right? You have to first understand the types of the keyword that I use in my blog post while writing. So you can see here, right, that we have this keyword types, and under this keyword types we have 3 keyword types. First we have evergreen keywords, second we have trend based keywords, and lastly we have coming soon keywords. So I just name it coming soon keyword. I will tell you why I named it coming soon keyword, right? Evergreen keywords are the ones that are all-time searched keywords. They are the keywords that people consistently search for on the internet. Like for example, think about topics like productivity tips, how to become more productive, or like time management tips. These keywords always appear on the people search list. Similarly, consider issues like hair fall or hair problems. When people face such issues, they are naturally turned on the internet to search for solutions like how to stop hair falling. These are what we call evergreen keywords. They remain relevant on the internet, always in demand. Now, what is the source of this keyword? How you can find this keyword? From where you will get this keyword? So you will get this keywords from like keyword research tool, like let's say you can see here like SEMrush, you have Ahrefs, Google search. Even Google search is also a tool. You can, if you see properly, that Google is also a tool to give you the keyword ideas, right? When you search on Google, you can see like what other people are asking, and you will see some other keyword recommendation below of the search, right? And the next trend based keyword I have, and this trend based keyword is like that is currently trending. Okay, right, that has been trending for the last 6 months, or let's say 1 year, or say last week ago it has been trending, or it has been trending since last 2 days, right? So you have to pick those keywords and create content around them based on your niche, right? Whatever is your niche. For example, since last 6 months, ChatGPT was trending and I created content around that, okay, right? And I got amazing results, right, from that. Then we have currently, that is prompt engineering is one of the trending keywords. If you go and search on those keyword research tool like SEMrush, okay, and or Ahrefs, you'll see that prompt engineering is the keyword that is currently trending. Even artificial intelligence is trending currently. So where is the source of this keyword? As I told you, right, YouTube is also one of the source. Then we have Twitter. Twitter is also helpful source for finding the trend based content, okay, from their key hashtags and all. Then we have Google Trends. You can use Google Trends to find the trend based keyword. Then you can also use SEMrush and Ahrefs to see how the trends are performing. Like imagine we have a keyword like prompt engineering. This keyword has quite active in this space for the last 6 to 8 months, with people actively searching for information related to it. So the question arises, are people still searching for prompt engineering? To find out, you can utilize tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs or answerthepublic.com. Additionally, you can even employ Google search as a source to determine whether prompt engineering is still a popular topic. Then lastly, we have coming soon keyword. And why name it coming soon keyword? The reason I call it coming soon keywords is because they are related to the things that are about to be released. Let's take a product for example. When Elon Musk announced that his XAI was coming soon, it created an opportunity for content creators. Here is how it works. You see an announcement, perhaps like a tweet, and you immediately create a post about it. In the following days, Google automatically indexes your page. This means that your page is at the top of the search result before anyone else create content around that keyword. I applied the same strategy with Alex Hormozy when he was launching his $100 million leads book. I noticed that no one was creating content around it, so I swiftly created blog post, Medium post, Reddit post, and YouTube videos. Basically, I covered it everywhere and I got a massive results. I even got leads for my personal business and sales from Amazon. Let me show the results in my search console and Amazon to illustrate, right? So I'll go to the search console. I'll click on pages and let me show you. You can see here this post has 10,000 clicks, right? You can see that, just when Alex Hormozy, let me show you which article. So basically this post, okay, right, has 10,000 clicks. You can see here, right, 10,000 clicks. And I just published a post around like when Alex Hormozy launches $100 million leads. So if I go to take you to the Amazon, you can see here, right, like almost every day I'm getting sales, right? And okay, now you can see here, like in this month I got 1400 clicks, right? And I know this is very less commission. You can see like total of 35 bounties and $20 commission, and you can like total of $50 of earnings. The real concern here is not that I am making much money, but the most important thing is that I am getting traffic. That's the primary concern with the blog. I'm very transparent in this video and I'm showing you everything, holding nothing back. You see, when something is announced, there is no guarantee that when you create a blog post around it, it will be a success or fail. It's all depend on you, right? You have to be ready to grab the opportunity and take action and create content around that. For example, today I plan to create content around OpenAI DALL-E 3. They announced it just a week ago and I think that it will become a hot topic in the coming days. So I'm going to craft a blog post about OpenAI DALL-E 3 today. Let's see how we can go about this. Now let's talk about where I find all these keywords. What are their sources? The sources are newsletter which you might have subscribed to from influencer companies or marketers. Influencers like, let's say, Alex Hormozy, and businessmen like Elon Musk, they often give hints about what's coming up in their Twitter account. There are also many announcement blog like one from OpenAI, right? Google have also their own announcement blog. They release news and you can receive notification from there to stay ahead of the curve. Social media is another valuable source. People often share hints and news on platforms like Twitter, providing an overall idea of what's coming, right? I'm sharing all this so that you can gather ideas for your blog, right? This is the first step of your keyword research, right? Till now, we have just covered the type of the keyword, and now we are about to dive into the actual keyword research where we'll find those keywords. We will do a overall analysis. So let's get started. Now you can see that I have opened SEMrush, and now we are going to do a little bit keyword research, right? The actual keyword research, okay? And now we have the keyword that I have selected, right? That is OpenAI DALL-E 3. That recently OpenAI has just released this version of DALL-E. Let's go to the keyword overview and to the keyword research, right? Now once the keyword overview is open, right, we will type here the keyword so we can do the analysis of the keyword. Here we will enter the keyword OpenAI DALL-E 3 and let's search. We can also search directly DALL-E 3, right? Okay, you can see there is no results, right? Searching with OpenAI DALL-E 3. So simply we can search DALL-E 3. Okay, let's see what result we get. So you can see here that DALL-E 3 has, like 480 volume in the United States, and it has a global volume of 1,200, right? And you can see the trend here, right? People are consistently searching about this keyword on web, and you can see the keyword has not much difficulty. That is, it's easy, right? Like it's 26 only. Okay, so we can take this keyword, right? Let's see if we can find any other relevant keywords. And for that, what we will do, we will simply click on view all keywords here. Then we will find the relevant keywords that has lower keyword difficulty and has higher volume, right? So that we can choose that keyword and we can write content on that, right? You can see here, these are all the keywords, okay, about DALL-E 3. And now what we can do, like from here, we can choose the volume. Volume should be at least 100 to 1000, right? And then KD should be like in between. The keyword difficulty should be easy, right? It should not be very hard. Very easy is also a good keyword, right? But we will go with easy. Yeah, so you can see that this is the one we have, that is from initial keyword, right? We can create a content on this topic. For better research, what you can do here, you can also use Google to understand about this keyword, more about this keyword, right? What other people are searching, because Google can show you the better results, or you can use answerthepublic.com. So let's search on Google and see what results we get from Google, right? What are the other questions relevant to this we get from Google? So we'll just go to Google here. We'll just open here and we'll search on Google, right? Let's say DALL-E 3, and let's see what are the other relevant question we're getting from here. So you can see people also ask, how do we access DALL-E 3? Is DALL-E is free to use? And you can also scroll down and see what people are searching. Okay, you can see here like relevant searches the people search about DALL-E 3. We have like keywords like DALL-E 3 chat GPT, DALL-E online, DALL-E 3 release date. These are the all keywords that we have currently, right? And now we have found the keyword, right? That is DALL-E 3. Okay, we've just saw its volume, right? And we have also changed difficulty, its average difficulty, so we can target this keyword. We have also seen that like it's trending because people are searching, you can see here, right? But the most important thing is the SERP. Okay, you have to see that which other websites are ranking for this keyword. Okay, so you can see the first website that we have is the OpenAI itself, right? And you can see the referring domains, it's more than 1200, and then backlinks also like 24,000. These are the top website. Okay, but if you see one thing here, right? Okay, if you see the slug here, you can notice that no one is talking about here like how to get free access to DALL-E 3. So we can select this as our title, or you can select like the broad keyword, like the long tail keyword, how to get free access to DALL-E 3. We can take this keyword as like a long tail keyword, and we can target that keyword, right? So you can see here, right, from this short tail keyword we have found out a long tail keyword, right? So we can use this keyword to create a blog post for this keyword. Okay, so what will be the specific title? We have selected the specific title as how to get free access to DALL-E 3. We are going to create a blog post on that. To generate a blog post, we are going to use OpenAI Playground here. Okay, and it's the same thing as like using ChatGPT, but here we have more customization in both input and output, right? We can get better results from here. In ChatGPT, we can just enter one single prompt, but here we can input the system prompt, and we can also have option to input like user prompt. Okay, we have the different mode here, right? And we have also like different models that we can choose, right? Like GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K, right? Okay, so and we can also choose the temperature, right? The required temperature that we want, and we can also choose the maximum length of our output or input, right? Now here we are going to input this system prompt. You can see like I have given this system prompt, like that is, you are a professional blogger and you have expertise in writing blog post about OpenAI image generation tools like DALL-E 2.5, DALL-E 3, etc. right? Then I have given this like this user prompt, and now we have this, like you have to select the mode, and mode should be the same like chat. And then we have model, we have to go with like GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K, because its maximum tokens is like more than 16,000. We can input more character here through GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. We can also generate long blog posts, right, with this model, right? That's why I've chosen GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. Okay, and temperature we can keep like 1, or if we can little bit decrease it, right? No issues. Then you can see the like maximum length, so we have to increase this maximum length. So I will directly take it to like 16,000. Okay, now we are done with the setups, and we can keep this remaining like the same, right? If you read this user prompt, then you can see like we have video transcription. So we need a video transcription. Why I'm using video transcription? As you can see here, right, our default model training data cuts off in 2021. It means that it has knowledge up to 2021, and it cannot provide any information other than 2021. So that's why we are using video transcription, so that we have the proper information. We can feed proper information to the model, right? So then we will put like keyword. You can see here, right, what are the things we have to input here, right? So in the user prompt we have to input first keyword, then topic. What is the topic, right? As I told you, the topic will be how to use DALL-E 3 for free. We can use this as the topic, and then what is the keyword? That is DALL-E 3 is our keyword, right? We can simply write DALL-E 3 is our keyword. Okay, then what is the video transcription? And now we have to get the video transcription. Okay, and to get the video transcription we have to go to YouTube, right? And this is the exact strategy that I follow while creating my blog post, right? So now we'll open YouTube, and then we'll get the relevant video on that topic. First video that you can see here, like DALL-E 3 is amazing, and you can see DALL-E 3 is out, and now you can completely free to use. Okay, so let's see if we can find any other longer videos than this, but we can use also this one, right? So let's see if we use this one and what output we get, right? So we'll just copy the link from here. Once you have copied the link, you can simply open downsub.com and you can get the transcript from here, right? Okay, or you can just simply go down and just click on show transcript, and you get the transcript from here, right? Okay, so whichever method you want to use, it's depend on you, right? If you use this transcription, then it will lead to more API usage, because here you have more empty spaces, right? And these timestamps as well, right? So it's better to download the transcript. I recommend you to download the transcript, right? Okay, now once you have the transcript, right, what you will do, you will go simply here in the playground, and you will simply paste this transcription here, right here. Okay, Okay, right, and then what, you can just click on submit, right? And you can see the magic here, right? It started generating. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Now you can see that our blog post is finally generated, and we have our title here. You can see, like, how to use DALL-E 3 for free. Okay, and you can see like its introduction is also a nice introduction. Okay, right, and I think the length of the output is enough, but it's not suitable for blog post, right? This length is not enough for a blog post. We have to extend this blog post. But if we have told ChatGPT to generate the same article, right, if we have used GPT 3.5 Turbo, then it would have been shorter. That's the benefit of using GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. So now what we will do, we will simply copy this one and we'll paste in Google Docs. So that I will just select this one, and after copying this, I will go to Google Doc, right? Open Docs here, and now I'll create a new doc here. Now we can just simply paste this one. So now we can see that we have our blog post, and let's see how many words we have. So we can see that we have total of 1000 words, right? And I think that's enough for a blog post. Okay, but although we will expand this, okay, we'll see if we can expand this blog post or not. As you can see, we currently have our blog post. It's around 1000 words long, but we need to extend it further. To expand this, we should thoroughly review the entire blog post. You have to properly look at the headings and their respective paragraphs. If you come across a section that's too short, like the one here, we can expand it using Bing Chat. As I mentioned earlier, we will use Bing Chat for this purpose. When I reviewed the entire blog post, I noticed that one heading and its corresponding paragraph were too short, and that heading is the limitations of DALL-E 3 and its respective paragraph. To solve this issue, I will demonstrate how to use Bing Chat to generate both heading and the paragraph. Our primary objective is to expand the blog post, and Bing Chat can help with that. To start, go to Bing Chat and select the creative mode. This mode provides an imaginative chat that works well for blog content. Next, paste the following prompt. Can you compose H2 title? Let's title it Limitation of DALL-E 3 and provide an accompanying paragraph. Please maintain a conversational tone and use clear and simple English. Additionally, ensure that the content is free from plagiarism. Feel free to refer online resources for assistance. After entering the prompt, I will hit enter and I will wait for the output to generate. Once it is generated, I will review its length and writing style, and let's say if you don't like it, right, and simply you can generate another. Then we'll copy the generated content by clicking here on this copy icon, and then I will go back to Google Doc and paste it there. After that, I will remove any source references that come along with the copied text. Also make sure to run a plagiarism check using a tool like Duplichecker. Now you have expanded your blog post. If you want to expand other existing headings and its respective paragraph, simply copy the text and request Bing Chat to expand it and replace the original content in your document. Let's say we want to expand this, so I will simply select and copy this and go to Bing Chat, and I will write expand this before the text. Now you can see that it has expanded the given text and made it longer. So now we can select and copy this and go back to Google Doc and paste it there. This process can be repeated for each section you want to improve. Lastly, make sure to find suitable spaces for adding images to your blog post. Once this is done, you can publish your blog post using content management system like WordPress or Blogger. Following this strategy, I have managed to increase my blog traffic to 41,000, all without manually writing content. You can achieve the similar results by adopting this approach. Now before I end this video, I would like to share some tips and strategies that help me take my blog to this level. These strategies have allowed me to grow my blog, and you can do the same. I am going to share with you. First step here is to ensure that your site loads quickly. The speed of your website is important. To do this, you should block unused JavaScript and CSS. There are many plugins available for this purpose, and I personally use free ones. They well work for me and help me to block unused CSS and JavaScript. Additionally, you should consider using plugins that cache your site data on user's browser, which helps it load faster. You can also utilize a CDN system like Cloudflare for optimization. When you are starting a blog, choose a right and simple theme. Themes like GeneratePress and Astra work well. Another important aspect is mobile optimization. The majority of your audience will likely to come from smartphones or mobile device, so it's good to ensure that your site is mobile friendly. Users should have a smooth and comfortable experience when they are on your site on their mobile devices. If your site is not properly set up for mobile devices, user may leave due to poor experience. Make sure to address this issue promptly. If needed, I can create another video on how to boost your site speed. Furthermore, use WebP images instead of PNG or JPG images, as they can significantly impact your site speed. There are many other strategies I have employed, and if you would like me to cover them in more detail, please let me know. Now, one of the most important things to remember is not to rely solely on publishing your blog post. Just hitting the publish button won't automatically bring the traffic to your blog. You need to create relevant posts on social media platforms, share your content on various social media channels. Don't forget platforms like Pinterest that can be valuable for driving traffic. Share your link there as well. You can repurpose your content on Medium and share links to your site. This can help you to tap into the Medium audience and drive more traffic to your blog. So that's how I approach growing my blog and increasing traffic. If you have any questions or need more information on any strategies, please let me know. I'm here to help you.